Welcome back to Richly Small, where we take a look at tiny living in a richly fulfilling way. Today we'll be looking at the APH 520 by Champion Homes. The APH 520 is a 399 square foot living space with 1 bedroom, 1 bath, and the APH model has a wraparound porch with a wood-burning fireplace, perfect for relaxing and enjoying the outdoors. The bedroom has a king-size bed and has ample storage space. If you need more information, please visit championhomes.com. If you are looking for a spacious and cozy tiny house, this may be for you. The price is excellent at $78,215, as that's the MSRP. We give this model a 4 out of 5 as it has everything you need and is beautifully designed. As always, please like and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next one.